So, do I have any more annoying habits you wish to tell me about?
No, none.
There's something else, isn't there? What is it?
Well, the truth is, you snore.
I do not snore.
You do. First night you were here, I thought a pig had got into the house.
So now I'm a pig, thank you, Guinevere.
I just meant you sound like a pig. I think I better stop talking.
I'll do that.
Where did you get those plates?
From the cupboard.
They have the royal seal. They're from the palace kitchens. I've washed enough of them to know. I take it that's where our food also came from.
Look, I can kill a chicken from 1,000 paces. Just don't ask me to cook it. That's what servants are for. I didn't mean it like that.
I'm not ashamed to be a servant. At least I'm not a liar.
We had a nice meal together. What does it matter where it came from?
Because I thought you'd shown some humility. You'd done something kind for me, even though I'm just a servant. A good king should respect his people, no matter who they are.
Guinevere. I know I have much to learn. There are some things that I'm terrible at, cooking being one of them. But also, knowing what to say to someone I care about.